welcome to my channel, welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a fantastic day. If you're new here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos, lots of lifestyle content, shopping hauls, DIYs, organising videos, decluttering, all of that kind of thing. If that's your vibe, I'd love for you to stick around and hit the subscribe button. So today's video, I'm actually in my garden, as you probably have gathered. I'm going to be doing a few little DIY jobs that we left unfinished before we went on our summer holidays. We've come back now. Sorry I'm squinting. When I sat here, the sun was way behind the clouds. Now I've sat down to film, the sun is literally in my eyes, so I'm going to be squinting a little bit. Oh, it's just gone away now. So before we went on our summer holidays, we was doing some renovation to our garden. We put the decking down, which looks absolutely gorgeous. We've painted it all and it's lovely sort of grey, like midnight grey colour, which I just absolutely love. We've also managed to put our shed up, which has given us extra storage space to store all those garden bits and bobs, and it looks absolutely gorgeous in the garden. It's more or less the same colour as our decking, so we chose very well. Okay, and it's nice little small cute shed as well. I mean, I absolutely love it. I'll show you that in a minute. So today I'm going to be doing just some quick what should I say, sprucing up of the garden furniture that we didn't get to do before we went on our summer holidays. So I've got 2 chairs and I've also got the garden table that I would like to revamp or spruce up using some items that I've got from Poundland. Yes, so it's going to be a Poundland DIY, a Poundland spruce up. So I'm so excited for this video. The weather is holding out. You know, I thought we were going to have a little bit of rain today. So I wasn't sure whether to film today or to actually bring you this video on another day. So I'm going to crack on with it, and hopefully those clouds that are looming over me here in London are just going to disappear. You know, disappear and let me get on and finish this video. So let me show you the 2 items of furniture that I'm going to be revamping. These 2 garden chairs, okay? So they've still got lots of wear and they don't look fine now, but once I've DIY'd them, once I've spruced them up, they're going to look absolutely amazing. And then I've also got this garden table. We were actually going to get a larger table, okay, but now we've got the shed in place. There's our little shed over there. Now we've got our shed in place, there's no room for a larger table. You know, the garden's quite small. We've just got this little green area here, which we do appreciate having this outdoor space. But to put a larger table in here, it will just take up the whole of the garden. So we're going to keep this table. I'm going to give it a good spray paint, revamp it so we can use it obviously next year and also in the autumn. So autumn is fast approaching, isn't it, guys? You know, the leaves, the trees are just blowing there. So myself and Oakley went to the park the other day and we managed to gather up some of these acorns and oak tree leaves which had fallen down from the tree. And also in the mix of this, I've also got some acorns and some oak tree leaves that I've got in the forest in Turkey as well. Okay, so that's our little stash of acorns in there. They're very autumnal, perfect for autumn decorating. So yeah, I'm going to leave those to one side for now. Okay, so back to the table. So yes, I'm going to be revamping this table. Okay, it's not too bad actually. I'm going to like just spray paint these white areas here. You can see that we've actually done this before. So I'm going to be using this Auto Extreme spray paint in the matte black. This is actually from Poundland and it does a really good job. I showed it in my last video on my Poundland Best Buys. So if you haven't seen that video, guys, my Poundland Best Buys, I will leave a link in the description box below so you can pop over and check out my Poundland Best Buys. I had a really good selection of items there. Which one of them was this? Okay, so I've actually used this spray paint before on our outdoor furniture and it has done an amazing job. I mean, we spray painted the chair and the table about 2 years ago, so that's to tell you how long it's lasted. But this video has not been sponsored by Poundland, so it just so happens that the majority of the items that I'm going to be using for this garden spruce up are from Poundland. So I thought I'd just show you everything again. If you've seen them on my channel already, please do forgive me, but there might be some people, I'm sure there are some new people that have jumped on that have not seen them. So yeah, I'm putting it out there for them as well. If you are new, I'd love for you to consider hitting the subscribe button somewhere down there and be part of my YouTube family. So let's crack on with the video, guys. So I'm going to start with the chairs over there. I'm so glad that the sun has come out because I was thinking the worst thing you want to do is start spray painting and it starts to rain. Even drizzling rain is not good for this kind of DIY. So ideally for any kind of DIY like using spray paint, it's best to have a nice dry space, and that's what I've got here. So let's get on with it. I'm just going to give the chairs a good brush. God, plane going over. Yes, we are on the flight path to Gatwick from here. So yeah, every now and again, got a nice little plane going across. Yeah, so before I get spray painting with the chairs, I've just taken an outdoor brush and I'm just going to give the chairs a good brush down, because we've got leaves and all sorts of dust and cobwebs on the chair that I really don't want to have spray painted, you know. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a good dust down. That's the dusting down done. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray paint these two chairs. Also, if you're going to be doing anything like this, don't forget to shake the can very well. Yes, you get a nice even spray. So I'm going to stand about, what should I say, 30 centimeters away from the actual chair. I'm not going to use any primer. I'm just going to go straight in. So I forgot to actually show you what the chair was looking like before. So I really want to do a before and after. So I'm going to show you the second chair that I'm going to be spray painting, just to give you an idea of how it looks. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. Okay, so you got all this like paint that's peeling off. This has actually been on for around 2 years, like I said before. Okay, and then this is what I've just done to this one. So this is actually reflection from the sun, but the paint has really evenly covered up all of those white patches that was actually there before. So that's just reflection. Okay. So if I can bring you down here, you can see that on that side of the chair, you can see that it's actually still grey. So I'm gonna just finish that off so it's black like that side and not grey like that side. Really loving how it's actually turning out. They look like brand new chairs, and that is what I really wanted to achieve, because I know that we can use these next year and also for the autumn, because we do like to come out onto the deck in early autumn and just have our sort of like morning coffee out here. You know, once we've taken Oakley to school and that, just have a little chill morning with a coffee or a hot chocolate or pumpkin latte, whatever, you know, a nice hot cozy drink. So this is not just for next year's summer, this is also to take us through autumn as well, out in this garden space. Chairs have turned out really lovely. I'm so glad that we've opted to do this rather than just throw them away. The structure of them was absolutely fine. They just needed a little bit of a spruce up, and that is exactly what I've done. So that's the chairs. I'll just show you what they look like here. I'm just gonna try and put them in the shade so you get a better idea of what they look like. There we go. So that's one chair there, as you can see. It's still drying, but it looks absolutely amazing. So I'm now going to go ahead and use the spray paint on the table, focusing on the edges mainly and also on the legs. 3 cans to spray paint the 2 chairs and also the table. I've got to say I might need to get another can just to sort of touch up the legs on the table, but 3 cans would actually do you a good job if you're looking to do something similar. So the table's all finished, it's nice and dry in that lovely black matte spray paint. So now I'm just going to attach these cushions to these chairs. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember, but these are also from Poundland. So at the time of purchasing these cushions, I actually picked up 2 extra ones because I knew I was going to be doing this DIY at some point. So yeah, I'm so glad I'm... So this is how both of the chairs have turned out. I've attached the cushion as well, the seat pad, I should say, seat pad cushion, which was also from Poundland, but the chairs have turned out really lovely using the matte spray paint. Okay, so next I'm going to be attaching my wreath, which is also from Poundland, to this fence just over here. I've just put some cushions over there to dry because we left them out and of course it rained. They're supposed to be waterproof, but they still got a little bit waterlogged, so I've just put them up there to dry. I'm now just going to attach this beautiful heart wreath. Hubby's actually put this on there as well, which is a nice little touch. And I'm just going to attach it like so. It looks absolutely beautiful on the fence there. To be fair, it was on there before, but I just thought I'd show you me putting it on there, so it's like more of a vlog kind of style video. Okay, so next I'm going to be, well, I'm going to try, hubby said to wait for him, but he's not here, so I thought I'd just give it a go anyway. So I'm going to try to fix the mirror up onto, actually what I should have done to make it easier, I should have actually put the mirror here. That might have been a better idea. Actually, I'm just going to leave it there like that. Yeah. Because otherwise I'm going to have to get the drill out and drill a hole in our external wall and then use wall plugs and all of that. And to be fair, I don't fancy doing that. So...
This is 27. It doesn't matter what I've been through. I should grow up.
Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. Okay guys, so take care, keep well, and I shall see you very soon on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.